Hi, I'm Mr. McConley, and this is BKW Intro to Agriculture class. So the topic of today is a smelly one. We're talking about manure. So on a cow-calf operation like what I have here, one of the most valuable resources a farmer has is the manure from the cows. Now just to give you an idea, a full-grown cow will give you about a half a wheelbarrow load of manure a day. We'll take about 6 loads of manure out every day in wheelbarrow loads with 12 cows. So that just gives you an idea of how much manure a cow produces. So what do you do with all that manure? I mean, if you were just to pile it up, there would be piles everywhere. So what happened that's the situation we had run into. And so what we did is we built a manure storage pit. So if you spin around this way, this is our manure storage pit, and this was partially funded by the Schoharie County Soil and Water, and this is where we store the manure until the conditions are right. I'll come out of the sun for a second. Until the conditions are right, and when the conditions are right, then we're able to spread that manure on the fields. And once you spread that manure on the fields, that's just one of the best fertilizers that you can have. It's almost better than anything you can buy. That organic matter feeds the soil again. You have the seeds that are left over that went through the animal's digestive system, and those seeds get replanted back into the ground. So it's a great process, and that valuable manure, although messy and smelly, is one thing that you really gain by collecting it and spreading it when you need it. So I'll take you through a little bit of the process. So the process starts here in the barn. So we're going to follow Farmer Thomas in here for a minute, and basically we're just doing a little demonstration here. So we didn't take the time to really clean out the barn super well, but we're just loading up one wheelbarrow load here. So in our operation, since we're a small operation, we basically scoop it by hand into a wheelbarrow every day, clean out the barn where the cows have been. Then we'll take it outside, we'll haul it right across, and we'll dump it in the manure pit. And over time, as you can see, this accumulates, because now we're at the end of March, almost into April, and this has accumulated quite a bit. To give you an idea, on the back side there, it's almost 5 feet deep of manure, and this angles uphill, and so by the time we're starting here, I don't have that much room left. Which brings me to the next part of the process. I really need to push this back, because at this rate, we're gonna run out of space pretty soon. So we're gonna jump in the tractor now, and I'll show you how that's done. That's fine, Thomas. All right. There you go. I'm gonna hand that off to you. So I'll make it a little louder as I crank this up. I can turn the radio down a little bit. I put it in 4-wheel drive or it will get too far. So the idea here is we can't stack it that high with a wheelbarrow. So the idea is, if we drive in here with the tractor every so often, in the field right now, this would be perfect. However, the big issue we have at this time of year, the ground's a little wet. So if I try to get out into the field right now, what's going to end up happening is I'm going to put ruts all over the field. And that's just not wise, because then you'll continue to hit those ruts for the rest of the year. So with my operation, it seems to work out best if I wait until after our first cutting is done. So let's say end of June, early July. And if I go ahead and spread the manure after that first cutting is done, that works out perfectly, because while the hay is growing second cutting, the manure is feeding the ground, and that hay, that second cutting hay, comes on beautifully. So, we'll take a little break for a second here. Basically, I've shown you the most basic, one of the most basic processes on the farm, which is collecting the manure every day. This happens in the morning. We scrape the barn into the gutters, and in the evening we scoop that up, put it in wheelbarrow loads, bring it out to the pit here, and we accumulate it. And this pit, what'll happen as the sun gets warmer and the air dries out, this manure will start drying out somewhat, and the sun shines in here, and it's got a roof on it, so it doesn't rain in here all the time. And by the time we go to spread that, the moisture content will be much lower and will spread a lot better. So, I hope you've learned a little bit about manure management today. I'm Mr. McConley for BKW Intro to Agriculture.